Ita for not answering the door when my ex's mom showed up at my apartment unannounced? This story took place a couple of years ago, but it's been on my mind lately after discussing crazy mother-in-law stories with a friend. She thinks I might have been in the wrong. I have sole custody of my children, and my ex and his family live about a 9-hour drive away. One morning, around 9 a.m., I heard knocking on my bedroom window. I peeked through the blinds and saw a pair of sneakers. When I looked up, I was shocked to see my ex's mom staring back at me. The apartments where I live aren't gated, so anyone can drive onto the property, but they can't enter the buildings without a key. The only reason she had my address was that a few months earlier, she had asked to send some things for the kids, and I foolishly gave it to her. When I finally let her in, she claimed she was just in the neighborhood. I asked why she didn't call first, and she said it was a last-minute decision. She spent some time with the kids, and when she left, I told her that next time, I needed at least a week's notice before she showed up. Fast forward about 4 months, and she did it again. I heard the familiar tapping on my window and immediately knew who it was. This time, I didn't even bother looking. She started calling me, and after the 5th call, I finally answered. She demanded I open the door because she wanted to see the kids. I was actually 45 minutes away visiting my dad with the kids and told her so. She insisted on getting my dad's address, but I refused. I told her I had no idea when I'd be home, which was a complete lie. She didn't believe me and thought I was just ignoring her. After I hung up, I received texts from my ex demanding I let his mom see the kids. I explained that I wasn't home. Imagine my surprise when I heard the police knocking on my door a few minutes later. I chose not to answer, but then I got a call from a random number. It was the officer, there for a wellness check because my ex's mom hadn't heard from me in 3 days and was extremely worried. I explained the situation to him, telling him she had shown up unannounced and that I had made it clear I couldn't accommodate her demands. After that call, I received a text from my ex calling me out for being unreasonable, saying it wouldn't have been hard to let his mom see the kids after she drove all that way. I want to be clear. I don't mind her visiting or being around my kids. I just can't stand her showing up unannounced and demanding to see them like that. It felt like she was trying to exert some kind of control over the situation.